So I figure I'm going to come up here to the coast every morning as this Hurricane Erin is running up the east coast. It's way offshore, but it's supposed to bring a lot of surge, a lot of waves and wind. So check it out, see what it looks like. Hey everybody, I'm down here at the Jersey Shore. It's on a Thursday morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and film out on the beach, mainly because Hurricane Erin is about 400 miles southeast of here. It's kind of due east of Cape Hatteras down in the Carolinas. So I thought I would just show you this. You can kind of see how the surf is building. It's amazing though. Probably have 25 to 30 mile an hour gusts here, and that's at over 400 miles away. Just amazing. Yeah, it's definitely up quite a bit. Check this out. It doesn't look like much from here. It's always so hard to capture waves on a camera, but yeah, they're kind of coming in at an angle here. Wow. Blowing like stink, as they say. I'm gonna hop back here in the car where I can hear myself think. It's just a constant roar out here from the surf and the wind blowing at you. That's crazy. High tide, but not quite yet. So that'll probably elevate a little more through tonight. It'll be kind of cool to see in the morning again. We'll show you. I wish I had gotten here about 15 minutes earlier. The sunrise would have been beautiful coming up over this, especially with the offshore breeze and seeing the mist come off the top of the waves. Check this out. Well, I'll tell you what, it is beautiful looking out there today. It's a little chilly, I actually put long pants on this morning. It was like right at 58 degrees when I woke up this morning. But all right, I'm gonna take a ride out to the Point Pleasant Inlet. I think it's called the Manasquan Inlet actually, but right up in Point Pleasant. Love to see what it looks like there. Last night, I saw on the news, the water was actually flowing up over the edges of it where the waves were, which is really surprising because normally it's 5 feet or so down, typically is what I see. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. I decided to come up to Point Pleasant Beach. Just look at the Manasquan Inlet. But here they are, they're raking the beaches and getting them all ready for the weekend. But it does look kind of cool watching the spray come up off these waves. This direction here real quick. A lot of folks out there taking pictures. There you go. Oh, family photo shoot right here. Well, it's been another great couple of weeks up in New Jersey. You know, I'm enjoying my time up here. It's terrible being away from the family, you know, doing this 2-3 weeks at a time every month or so. Yeah, it's a personal strain, right? But it's awesome seeing my dad. I do enjoy going out here for sure. And going around all these, I don't know, places that were childhood memories. Pretty cool stuff, pretty cool. And now I'm kicking myself for not coming out here yesterday and viewing this when these waves were up over the rocks out here at the Manasquan Inlet. Would have been cool looking. Check this out. So this here is the Manasquan Inlet, and what's cool is if we sort of zoom across here, sense of the size of the waves still today. What I'm doing is I'm filming across the inlet. So what you're looking at is the beach there on the north side of the Manasquan Inlet. Well, hey, happy Saturday morning. So it is a couple of days after the hurricanes passed way out off the shore. By the way, Jersey, they call it the shore, not the coast. But I figured I'd take a look here, walk it over, show you a little bit about the Seaside Heights Boardwalk. This has always been a lot of fun as a kid, and as season's in, obviously it's pretty packed. It's almost the end of the visiting season right now. And take a little view out at the beach. And it's still early in the morning, so almost nothing's open, but we've got this little sky bridge thing that you can ride on. I can remember that's been there forever, since I was a kid. Like, even if you look at them, you know, no real safety there. But it's not very high, and it's not a very fast ride, but it's just surprising. It's what I remember, you know, back in 1978. There's guys out here surfing. I just saw them paddling their way out there. You can see them just beyond that wave building. Another one swimming out there. Well, it's always very cool coming out here to my dad's house. This one's been neat. I was coming at the right time of year where I was able to come out to the boardwalk in the mornings, walk around a little bit. That has been a lot of fun. Anyway, from New Jersey, I'll see you all next time around the grill.